Ladies and gentlemen, we promised you some scintillating music. And we had this gentleman at our Christmas party, and we just had to have him do a repeat performance for us in this new season. So please put your hands together for our violinist, Yet. And while he is coming, put your hands together once again. Yes! Was he fabulous? Was he wonderful? Was he talented? Did we enjoy him? He made us laugh, he made us dance, he made us clap our hands. What else do we need from a talented instrumentalist? Let's put our hands together. Thank you so very much for making our wonderful afternoon even more splendiferous. We will see you again. God bless you.
Who is on the Lord's side? Are you on the Lord's side? We lift our voice in praise. Amen.
Thank you. Want to try? Thank you.
Fellas, we're at one of my favorite Colombian places in Queens, New York, and check this out. So good. Yeah, trip that. And then you grab the ketchup.
Wow. El imaginar.
There we go. This is how you do Colombian fries, baby. Ooh, let me taste it. We got the skirt steak over here. We got the rice with chicken, some salad. We got the fries, which I already showed you how to make. Over here, we got some fish. We got some chowder all over spread out. It's so good, baby. All right. Bon appetit. Peace. These are my cute. I've been sober for 2 weeks, and Satan here is tempting me. Cheers, guys. Cheers. When I speak English. Oh my God. Woo-ha-ha. This is good shit too. It's Grey Goose. Grey Goose, baby. That's the only vodka I drink, Grey Goose. If it's not Grey Goose or something really fine, I'm not drinking it. I'm at an age, 22 years old, where I only drink good shit. All right, I'm tired of drinking all that shit. What the fuck was so funny? Just got this beautiful text. I'm gonna upload it on my story. We're gonna go. We gotta go take the train, head to Webster Hall, and before we're probably gonna go to Joe's Pizza because like 3 blocks away. Pick a slice. She's never had Joe's Pizza, so pick up a slice each, then drink a little more, and then head to Webster because Jauz is playing. It's gonna be great. It's doing a house set and a dub set, and clearly I can't talk today. Pizza. What you guys know about that Joe's Pizza? One of the best pizza places in New York fucking city, baby. Check this out. Let's go. It's gonna be so good. All right, get in my belly.